Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Miro AI, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Miro AI, start by visiting the Miro website. Log in to your Miro account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the Features tab. Click on the Features tab to access additional options. Scroll down to locate the Miro AI section. Toggle the switch to enable Miro AI. A confirmation window may pop up to verify your choice. Review the information provided in the confirmation window. If everything looks good, click to confirm your activation. After activation, Miro AI will be integrated into your workspace. Return to the dashboard to explore Miro AI features. Test the AI by creating a new board. On the new board, look for the AI tool in the toolbar. Select the AI tool to start using its features. Follow any on-screen prompts to familiarize yourself with its capabilities. Explore different functionalities such as brainstorming and content generation. Adjust settings as needed for personalized use. Your Miro AI is now fully activated and ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.